Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. If you're a culinary enthusiast or a professional chef, you know that the right tools can make all the difference. In today's video, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials to help you find the best knife set for chefs. Let's get started. Number 1. Home Hero Knife Set, a game changer for every culinary virtuoso. Crafted with precision, this set is a symphony of form and function. Each blade dances effortlessly through ingredients, delivering culinary nirvana with every slice. From dicing to julienning, these knives are the unsung heroes of your kitchen. The ergonomic handles provide a symphony of comfort during marathon cooking sessions. Gleaming in stainless steel, they're not just tools, they're works of art. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook with dreams, the Home Hero Knife Set elevates your culinary prowess. Unleash your inner chef, one slice at a time. Number 2. DDFIOEF Knife Set, a culinary masterpiece that'll elevate your chef game to new heights. Kitchen knife sparkles crafted with precision and designed for the pros. This set is a cut above the rest. The razor-sharp blades effortlessly glide through ingredients, making every slice a symphony of precision. From chopping to dicing, it's a kitchen dream come true. But it's not just about performance. The sleek design and ergonomic handles scream sophistication. Trust me, this is not your ordinary knife set. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring cook, the DDFIOEF Knife Set is your ticket to culinary excellence. Say goodbye to kitchen woes and hello to a world of culinary perfection. Number 3. Babish Knife Set, a culinary game changer. Crafted for chefs, this set is a symphony of precision and elegance. These knives aren't just tools, they're an extension of your artistry. Each blade sings with the harmonious blend of form and function, slicing through ingredients effortlessly. The ergonomic handles feel like an orchestra conductor's baton, conducting your culinary creations with finesse. From chopping to dicing, these knives are your trusty sidekicks in the kitchen. Elevate your culinary journey with the Babish Knife Set because every masterpiece deserves the perfect instrument. Number 4. Sandali Knife Set, a game changer for every culinary enthusiast. Crafted with precision and designed for chefs, this set is a cut above the rest. The moment you hold these knives, you'll feel the balance, the sharpness, and the sheer quality. From slicing through delicate herbs to tackling the toughest meats, these blades effortlessly conquer every culinary challenge. The ergonomic handles ensure comfort during those marathon cooking sessions. With Sandali, you're not just cooking, you're creating masterpieces. Elevate your kitchen game and make a statement with these exceptional knives. Unleash your inner chef today. Number 5. Podden Knife Set, an absolute game changer for chefs. Kitchen Knife Sparkles, this culinary masterpiece is a symphony of precision and style. Crafted with top-notch stainless steel, these knives are like the orchestra of your kitchen, slicing and dicing with grace and finesse. From the robust chef's knife to the nimble paring knife, each blade is a work of art, promising razor-sharp performance. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip for those long cooking sessions. Say goodbye to kitchen frustrations and hello to culinary excellence. Elevate your cooking game with Podden, where artistry meets functionality. In conclusion, finding the best knife set for chefs is essential for any culinary enthusiast. We've explored a range of top options, each with its unique features and benefits. Whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home cook, make sure to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Thanks for watching.